If you watch this video, you would learn how to do this beautiful hairstyle all by yourself. Welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing me on your screen for the very first time, hi, my name is Mide, and I'll be showing you how to put your hair in a slick bun today. Kindly do me a favor, kindly subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell and tap on the save button so you can always come back to this channel to watch this video until you perfect it. Now for this tutorial, you'll be needing a leave-in conditioner. You will need an eco gel. I'll be using 2 eco gels in this tutorial. I'll be using this eco gel. I'll be using this. And I'll use this. You'll need a brush. You'll need a wide tooth comb. You'll need your bobby pins. Then you need a band as well. If your hair is as dry as mine, you definitely need a spray bottle like this filled with water and leave-in conditioner. You spray it in your hair to make it easier to work with. This is packed for now. We are going to be working in sections, starting from the back to the front, because you do not want your hair tangled or puffy. This is what we are going to do, yeah? You're going to keep applying the water and the leave-in conditioner. Apply your gel to all sections until you've completely slicked down your hair. Part your hair, be it center or side pattern, whichever one you want. But for this tutorial, we're going to be doing side pattern. In sections like that. Now you take your ponytail or your kinky, you will gather it with a band, then you twist this band to the base of your hair. And you divide it. So you divide it, you twist this end. Twist this end, not too tight. Take this other end as well. Twist it. Then you secure the bun by using bobby pins. Now you take your silk scarf again, then you tie it around your hair. That's sleek effect. With these steps, you achieve a sleek bun just like this, which works great for everyday wear and also for special occasions. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you want more videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell. Bye.